Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn how to change text direction in Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Changing your text orientation can be useful if you want to create tear-off tabs at the bottom of a for sale flyer or more readable column headings in a table. Here's how to do it. Before we change the text direction in our document, we should decide where we want to change the direction of our text, whether it is in a text box or a table. First, we are going to show how to change text direction in a text box. Navigate to the Insert tab, look for the Text group. Click the Text Box button and choose a style from the drop-down menu. If you don't like the default styles, click the Draw a Text Box option at the bottom of the drop-down menu and draw a shape at the cursor position. Type your text into a text box, let's say Office Master. Then, click the text box and navigate to the Shape Format tab that appears in the ribbon. In the Text group, click the Text Direction button and choose the direction from the drop-down menu. In this video, we are going to select the option Rotate All Text 270 degrees. We can also change direction by rotating the text box. To do so, select the text box, navigate to the Shape Format tab. In the Arrange group, select the Rotate button and select the option in the drop-down menu. You can even flip the text box vertically or horizontally. You can rotate the text box manually by selecting the text box rotation handle and dragging in the direction you want. To keep the rotation to 15 degrees, press and hold Shift key while you drag the rotation handle. Now we are going to change text direction in a table. Navigate to the Insert tab in the Tables group. Click Table and type your data into the table. Select the cells that contain the text you want to change direction. Navigate to Layout tab that appears in the ribbon in the Alignment group. Click the Text Direction to change the direction of the text. Alternatively, you can right-click the selected cells to select Text Direction in the Shortcut menu. In the Text Direction Table Cell dialog box, select the direction you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.